Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So voice is not coming.
Sir, unmute your mic.
Unmute तो है.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी आ रहा है, आवाज आ रहा है.
Okay.
How are you, sir?
Well, what about you people? Tell.
Sir, well, sir. Till
How your classes are going? Sir?
Nice.
So, have you followed? Are you following my videos?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How are those?
Sir, they are
fine,
good.
Nice.
Nice.
Very informative, sir.
I wanted to cover all the points as well as I'm doing the notes also. Notes are also very useful. Thing is, I think I have already informed you. All of you must be acquainted that there is changes of syllabus. Some new chapters have been added and some chapters have been removed. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
accordingly, we have changed our planning a little bit. NumPy will not be covered. What was included in class 12, that will not be covered. Instead of that, pandas will be covered. So that is very new chapter to all of you. That's why immediately I am not touching the pandas till our online classes are going on. So some easy chapters I have chosen.
So can you please repeat the changes again?
Changes, pandas in details will be discussed. A new chapter, that is computer networking, has included. Web applications were there, those have been removed. Social impetus of computers, that has come. It was already there little bit, but some in new topics have been included there. And computer networking, I just told you, SQL will be there, computer networking, social impetus of computers, and pandas, and little revisions of class 11 that we have already covered. Because unless we have the idea of class 11 syllabus, it will be not so easy to understand the updated syllabus of class 12. That's why we were bound to cover main points of class 11 that we have already done. When school will open, we will discuss it. If you require, I can discuss those points again if it is required. I believe it is not required. Now that's why my planning is, I already conveyed you, my planning is I'm now covering SQL. SQL will be over, I think, 1 or 2 classes. After that, I will switch over to computer networking. Then that is also theory chapter. Then social impetus, that is also theory chapter. Till lockdown is going on, I will try to touch all these points. If it continues more than 1 month, then I will start pandas. Otherwise, after opening the school, I want to touch. I will start panda. So I'll wait 1 month more. Within 1 month, these topics will be covered, I believe. And if it continues, then I will start pandas. This is my plan. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay.
So
Yes,
let
sir,
me discuss SQL next to my chapter. That chapter we have covered earlier. Can you see? For a few minutes, let me again discuss. Like sum. Sal is a field. Here Sal is the field. And select sum of Sal. So all the values present in the Sal field will be calculated. So there are 3 values only and 2 null values. So the output is this, the sum. Similarly, minimum. So this is minimum, maximum is coming. So maximum value of the Sal field. maximum value of the values of the cell field. So this is coming. Next is average. Now the point is there are 5 records, but only in 3 records we are having values, this, and this. So while using AVG function, select AVG function from EMP of salary field, means average of the salary field should be calculated. So these values will be divided by 3 or 5. Often this question comes. So obviously while simple average will divide the sum by 3 because 2 values are null values. So this plus this divided by 3 will be executed. Okay, so this is the thing. Are you getting me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I discussed these points. One more distinct clause. Yes, in class 11 also we discussed. Can anyone say what is the application of distinct clause? Anyone? What is distinct clause?
Sir, if the value is repeated, then it will only take it. It will only count it as one time, not repeated.
Exactly. It does not take the repeated values. The value only once it is taken. If there are some repeated values are removed. Only once the value will be taken. So that is called distinct. It removes all the repeated values. That you remember.
So can we use distinct clause with average?
Distinct, everywhere it can be used. Distinct always removes the distinct on the field. Distinct on the field only can be used. So if that field having repeated values, those will be removed. Distinct on field, not on function. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let us see some mathematical functions. Absolute ABS mathematics. These are purely in 12th syllabus. So questions will be coming. And SQL will contain, I think it is 20 marks. 20 marks will come from SQL. So it's a very big chapter and very easy also. Very scoring chapter. सर अभी क्लास ले रहे हैं, आप हमको SMS कर दीजिएगा, व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिएगा, हम लिंक भेज देंगे सर. हेलो. हाँ. So where we were? Yes. So 20 marks will come from SQL chapter. So ABS, it returns the absolute value. This example you see, I copied and pasted from the computer applications. Select ABS 2, so it returns the absolute value. Minus 32 returns the absolute value. Absolute value is positive value. EXP, it returns the exponential. Power of x. So exponential is this minus 2. This mathematical term comes. This mathematical terms comes. Ceiling and floor, they are just reversed. Ceiling does what? It gives you the integer value just next to the whole number. Ceiling removes the point values. I mean, just gives the next to the whole number. Like 1.23 ceiling, it gives 2. returns smallest integer value not less than x. Smallest, not just next to the whole number. So next to the whole number 1 is 2. So 2 will be coming. Like minus 1.23. In this case, just next to the whole number, minus 1. Similarly, floor, just reverse. It is the largest integer value not greater to the x number. See, 1.23, it returns only 1. Minus 1.23, it returns minus 2. Remember, value not greater than x. Largest integer not greater than x. Underline it. I will give you the notes also. Smallest integer not less than x. Not less than x. It's above side. It is floor. Floor is the ground. Floor and ceiling. Floor is the ground. So largest integer value not greater than x. So please remember, these are very small points and small questions. Often it is asked. So difference between ceiling and floor. Ceiling just above. Floor just below. Modulus, as you know, returns a remainder of the division of any two numbers. So mod this will 4. So in modulus, MOD you can use, symbol also you can use, and N mod M. This way also you can write. You can write either of these three. Commonly mod function we use, but N modulus M or N mod M, these also can be used. Okay. So select mod 234 divided by 10, so remainder 4, 7 remainder 1, like this. Pi, it gives your pi value, just pi value. Power, to the power. Pow or power, both are same. Either of these two. Power x to the x comma y or power x comma y. So both can be used. This is the synonym of power. Power is the synonym of power. So 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power minus 2. So the result is this. Similarly, round. So round minus 1.23 minus 1. These you must practice in the system. Though I am showing it, mostly you rarely practice in the computer and practical classes. So these things, the small things, you always concentrate on the programmings. But every batch I see, they rarely practice these small functions. You fully concentrate on programming and always programming. If you miss all those things, because the output you cannot remember. Nobody can make you remember how these work. Unless you do practically how the outputs are coming, you cannot remember. Though I am telling you, say minus 1.23. If you round, minus 1. Minus 1.58, minus 2. 1.58, see just above 2. 1.2981. 1, it shows how many decimal values will be there. How many decimal values will be there even after round. So 1 is the 1 decimal value. 1.29, 1 decimal value. 0 decimal value. By default, it is 0 always. How many decimal values? in reverse order, reverse way. Next to 23, the round is 20. Okay. So these you must practice you get chance to go for practice. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So then reverse order, I don't understand.
-1, just below to the round number of 23. Below the round number of 23, that is 20. You check more examples like this, you'll understand. Okay. Say round 1502. So 2 decimal values. 150.00, 2 decimal values. Because these are all decimals, so no question of rounding off. So only 2 decimal zeros will after decimal 2 zeros will be coming. There is no decimal, no zeros, so nothing will come.
So 2 places decimal will not come.
No. Because in the original value, there is no decimal value here as it was there. 150.000. So 3 decimal zeros were there. So out of 3, only 2 will be coming. See. But as there was no zeros, so no question of getting zeros. So no zeros are coming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
SQRT, square root, simple square root of 4 to square root of 20. Square root of -16 is the mathematical operation. So truncate tells you how many decimal values will be coming. Select truncate 1.223, 1. So only 1.2. So it shows only 1 decimal value of the number will be coming. So 1.2. 1.9 and 1.
Understand.
1.9. Hello.
Once more, can you explain truncate?
Okay. Truncate tells returns the whole number plus how many number of decimal values. Numbers of decimal values. Say 1.2, this is the number, okay? 1.223 is the number, comma 1. It tells that after the whole number, only 1 decimal value will be returned, will be taken. So what is the number if we take only 1 decimal value? What will be the whole number? 1.2?
Yes, sir.
Getting me?
Yes, sir.
If I write say 2, here if I write 2, so its output will be this. Likewise, 10.28 into 100. So what is the number? 1028.00. Then 0 truncate. So no.
Sir, for 122, I cannot understand.
Last time also I told you, just next whole number -2 in reverse order. In 122, reverse 2 decimal values. These 2 have been removed. Reverse way. From the whole number. From the whole number, on the whole number -2. From the whole number, these 2 are taking. So finally, 100 is coming. You practice more such examples. I am just giving you a hint. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now string function. insert. Here this is very important. In SQL, counting starts from 1. Don't get confused with counting 0, index values of as you did in Python. Most of the programming languages, counting starts from 0. But in SQL, MySQL, counting starts from 1. So insert function inserts this value into this, where from third position to 4 characters. From third position 1, 2, 3, A. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 characters. ADRA. So ADRA will be replaced by what? Okay. So insert in this word from third position 4 characters. From the third position means 1, 2, 3, 4. So sorry, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So third character is A. From A, next 4 characters. That means A, B, R, A. These 4 characters will be replaced by this text, this word. So the output is QUWHAT TIC. This is coming. Clear? In star, IN string, in string, in fact it is. In string. In string finds the position of the text in a position of a word or a group of characters in a text, in a string. How? Try to understand it. And there is one more point. If that string, I'll explain you, plus first you listen me what I'm saying. If that word or that group of characters, what we are finding, if it is placed more than one time, try to understand, get my point. If the word what we are going to search in the string present more than one time, then the position of the first will be taken. Now you'll understand. Say BAR is a group of characters, and here is foot bar. So BAR is present twice. So first position of BAR. So F is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first BAR is placed in 4th place. So 4 will be the output. Once again, I am telling. In star or in string function finds the position of a value in the string. The first argument is the string, and second argument to be found where its position. The position of this string, this text will be searched in the string. That is the function of in string. So position of BAR, first position rather, that is important. First position of BAR in the string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the 4th position, it starts. First character is in 4th position. So output is 4. So now lower or L case, both are same. L case or lower. Select lower, or you may write L case. So this text comes in lower case. It makes the change text into lower case, small letter. Sorry. Upper. Upper. U case or upper. So upper makes the text. Makes the text into upper. So upper. There you go. U case. Uppercase makes the text into upper position, uppercase in capital letters. So lower makes the text in lowercase, upper makes the text in uppercase or in capital letter. Right. Right function. It takes the number of characters from the right side of the string. It takes len number of characters from the right side of the string. Example, select right. This is a text, and this number of characters will be taken from the right side of the text. That means 1, 2, 3, and 4. So RBAR. So RBAR is coming. So from the right side, 4 characters. Right side, 4 characters. Left. Similarly, from the left side, 5 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these 5 characters will be taken from the left side. So this is output. The whole is the output. This is the column, not column name exactly. Heading, you would say. This heading, and under this caption, this is the output. Final output is this. If you are asked to display the output, this is sufficient. This much you can write. If you write the whole, okay, fine. But examiner always expects this much only. Length function just counts the number of characters present in that in the string. So just count the length. Ltrim. Trim removes the text. Trim. If I write trim, if I write just trim. So trim. Just a second. Trim removes the space from both of the sides. Trim removes the space from both of the sides. So spaces are there in right and left side of the string. So both will be trimmed out, will be cut. Similarly, Ltrim removes the space from the left side. So Ltrim removes the space from the left side. This is the left side. So left side, space of the left side will be removed. So Ltrim this. Now output is this. Similarly, rtrim is also there. Rtrim. R3. So space from the right side will be removed. Return the string. L trim, sorry. This L trim, no? L trim. Anyway, so I think you understood. Returns the string ending. Right side of the ending space from the. Now, mid or substring. This is very, very important function. Very easy and important also. Mid or substring, both are same. Mid is the synonym of substring. So both works similarly. Either you write mid or you write substring. Select mid Indo-Aryan 5,5. So from the fifth position, 5 characters would be taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So fifth character is A. From A, 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these 5 characters will be taken from the whole text. So mid of this. If you write substring, same way it works. Instead of mid, you can write substring also. Let me write. Substring. Same output will be coming. Same output will be coming. Well, now date functions. How much time is left? Hello?
So this is your first meeting now?
Yes? Tell?
So इसमें limit.
Next time, my one more class is there of class 10. That's why the class teacher was calling me. So, okay, let me finish it. Let me finish all these functions. Then we will stop.
Okay.
Date function. Google has also introduced one such.
Yes, the classroom.
Yes, sir.
Google Meet. Google Meet.
Was GC
Google Meet.
account.
Google Meet. Have you tested
Sir,
it?
in fact, video conference can be done on Skype also.
कोई टीचर कोई आ ही नहीं रहा करने के लिए ना. हम लोग तो बोले थे ग्रुप पे. हम लोग सब बोले कि नहीं जूम से ही करना है. तो हम लोग तो अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किए.
There is some audio problem. If the numbers are more, then some audio clash. Yes, so that is the only drawback. I think that will be covered soon. Anyway.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So we have 6 subjects at this time, 11:40.
G section.
Yes, sir.
G section or H section? Who is speaking? Let me see.
So G section.
Okay. Let me just. I will just conclude. Immediately I will conclude. Don't worry. So there are some date functions. Few functions I have taken. Date function, date itself that displays. If you write select date of any date, that will display the dates. So this is the date and time. So it extracts the date out of date and time, date function. date time. Date time function takes the date and time both. Date and time both. Date name. Sorry, day name. I'm sorry. Day name. Day name, date. So it takes the date, day today. Today is 1st May, Labour's Day. You know, all of you know Labour's Day. What was the history of Labour's Day?
Yes. What is it?
Studied in history. It started at America for 8 hours work. So it is very historical event today. So
during the industrial revolution.
Right. So Friday. Today is Friday, 1st May. So day name. Day name is taken from the date. Day of month. Which day of the month? So 4:30. 4:30. So there is a day. Day was 30th day. So day of month displays the day of the month. Day of week from 1 to 7. Which day? So 30th is the 5th. Today is 6th day. Friday 6th day. So 30 was the 5th day, like this. Day of year. Which day of the year? 3 out of 365. Which day was this date? So for 30th January. So 30. Month name. It shows the month name. May. Now displays date and time together. Now, and this is another format of the date and time. All comes in as a numeric value. You write +0. This is another format of the date. So these are few functions, very important functions, and from SQL 20 marks will be covered in board exam. So don't neglect SQL.
Sir, you will send these notes today.
Yes. I will send.
Okay, sir.
I'll send.
So now will you stop uploading the videos on YouTube?
Actually, school is asking to go only for Zoom, not that. But I have a plan.
YouTube video is better.
I will do it. Huh?
YouTube video is better.
Right. Okay. Anyway, I'm also plan to upload these in the net. Both things I will do. Okay. Then goodbye. Take care. See you again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Bye.